Hello friends, today we will talk about Shiba Rise project and we will also tell you how to buy Shiba Rise token in the last of the video. Its rank is 2965, around 250 people have added it to the watch list. Its website is shibarise.xyz and this is its price $0.00084 and BTC is 2.52%, high ETH is 5.53%, high low price is 0 and high price is $0.0001018 and its blockchain is Binance Smart Chain. This is contract address. After that we will come down and this is its chart. This chart is continuously increasing and decreasing. After that we will enter $1 here and in $1 we are getting around 982 million Shiba Rise coin and its trading volume is around $258,000. After that we will come down and this is its description, we can read it, and its total supply is around 1000 trillion Shiba Rise coin. After that we will open its website and click on shibarise.xyz. I have already opened this website. A Shiba with strengthened Rise tokenomics and an outstanding burn rate by utilizing the automatic whale buy, burn and reflect contract built within it with reflect to holders marketing and the buy and burn function. This token is set out to create solution for many problems within our networks. That means Shiba Rise coin outstanding burn rate and utilizing automatic whale buy, burn and reflect contact, and site set on NFTs, staking, swapping, reading chart or communicating in our private social network for serious crypto traders linked with a determined community and developer. Shiba Rise is set to become a donating force in the crypto world. That means Shiba Rise set on NFTs, staking, swapping, reading and chart communicating private social network, and all community members are respectful professionals who all bring their own unique skill set to the table. We are working on building our network and expanding the community. Shiba Rise is a community driven name token with purpose and everyone has the ability to contribute to the project. And last is our lead developer is American and created Shiba Rise out of spite for the rug pulls and honey pots that are plugging the network. From a legal standpoint and developer is doxed and is burned to follow the law. He saw a major problem and decided to work toward solution by providing a scam fee token with goal to provide the utilities to avoid scam and prosper with real project. That means Shiba Rise project developed by Americans and protect rug pulls, honey pots and plugging the network, and automatic buyback. Our contract automatically purchase after sales, boosting acceleration for launch. Get paid to hold 2% of each transaction distributed to all holder, and get paid to hold 2% of each transaction distributed to holders. Earn fee for holding. That means on every transaction 2% automatically redistributed to all Shiba Rise holders. And it's a pyro blastic burn rate. We started at 6% burn and it 2 week we were above 20% by now. With a long term legged project this filled with scam project hurters and smart thing to get a back to, so don't need. And Shiba Rise is always your side and trusted by 1800 ambitious investors who work together to achieve their goals. Marketing and development, 3% tax for marketing and development for every transaction. Wallet social app, designing a unique social network and connected the wallet exchange and more. Social network, our social network will be the first of its kind. Serious investor and those who desire security, integrity over scam, and deceit, incorporating an integrity system within our platform. And NFT marketplace exchange, ranging from NFTs, stacking, logging, and more. We are working of developing an around exchange that is linked our social network applications. Achieve your goals with our community. Rocket quality tokenomics, Hyperburn. We begun 6/20/2021 with a 6% burn, and 3-week time we hit 23% overall burn reduce circulating supply, therefore increasing the value of all holders. Bugs and contract always sending a burn address. 2% reflection, 2% of all transactions are then redistributed to all holders. Buy and burn, our contract is designed to automatically purchase after each sale, coded to be stronger than only any other whale in the come, and our burn rate is crazy. Hyper deflationary, rewarding and burning. Launch token on PancakeSwap. Launch website, establish a social media presence, CoinGecko listing, acquire 10,000 holders, 50,000 holders, social network live, wallet connect, implemented, charts and important information page, 1 lakh holders, AMA, YouTube, billionaires and more. Shiba Rise wallet, Shiba Rise staking, NFTs marketplace, bringing creation of safe payout and burn options. Phase 3 and Phase 4, 5 lakh holders, test safe and pay and burn function, launch first ever Shiba Rise official sister token, integrate all feature and exclusive social network. Holders 10,000, PancakeSwap login info 50%, Trust wallet 80%, and total burn 22%. If we talk about its future, and most of the coin are scam. If you want to invest in it, then invest only $1 or less in the beginning. If this coin perform good even after 1 month, you can invest in it, and this is my personal opinion. Be careful, invest in cryptocurrency at on risk. So now we will give you to tell what is the process of buying it. And we will download Trust Wallet app in our mobile phone, and we will open Trust Wallet. After that we will create account on Trust Wallet. And if you do not know how to create an account on Trust Wallet, you can watch our video, link in the description. After that we will add money in the Trust Wallet, and we will click on buy button and select blockchain. We will select BNB, and here we can add money in our Trust Wallet, and we can add minimum $50 in our Trust Wallet. After add money, go to home page, and we will click on DApp section. After that we will open PancakeSwap exchange, and PancakeSwap exchange has been opened. After that we will connect this exchange to Trust Wallet, and click on connect, and click on Trust Wallet, and this exchange connected successfully from Trust Wallet. After that we will select slippage, click on this icon, and here we can add slippage according to our token. After that we will click on select a currency, and here we can search coin using name or coin address. After that we will select a token. After that we will enter number of coin, here as many as we want to buy. After that click on swap, and click on confirm swap, and click on accept button, and finally click on confirm swap. So thanks for watching.